Hello everyone. So I'm back again with the 2023 question. Uh, you can pause for a few minutes and try to solve it on your own, and then we'll solve it together. So let me solve it now. This is the 2023 question. Environmental problems cause health problems. All right. So environmental problem is causing health problem. Substantial change in lifestyle can reduce environment or health problems. Fine. It is saying that lifestyle changes can lead to reduction of both environment and health problems. But this idea appears almost impossible to adopt. Now it is saying that it is almost impossible to adopt. Now, why is it so? With environmental problems, individual efforts can be perceived as having a negligible effect and therefore leads to inertia. When it comes to environmental problem, individual e- effects are negligible, very less effect. So people are having inertia. With health, on the other hand, individual choices can make the difference between life and death literally. When it comes to health problem, individuals' efforts can make huge changes. And yet, barring a few, there seems to be the same collective lethargy towards making their choices. Even though there is huge effect of individual efforts, there is still inertia. So even though for environmental or for health problem, there is huge inertia in taking action. So let us move to the question. Which one of the following statements best implies the most rational assumption that can be made from the passage? With assumption, it means that one of these options must be absolutely true for the passage to be held. So the first option, we are likely to spend more money on cure than prevention. This makes sense because we are not taking any action. So we are not acting on prevention, but it can happen that we will spend more money on cure than on prevention. So yeah, we'll keep this option and we'll try to go through all the options. We'll try to reject the wrong ones to find the right one. So moving to the second option, it is the job of the government to solve our environmental and public health problems. The passage clearly speaks about that we as an individual should take some action when it comes to environmental or health problem. So it is not just the role of government, it is role of both government and citizens. So this is a wrong option. Health can be protected even if environmental problems go on unattended. The very first statement says environmental problem causes health problem. So therefore health cannot be protected even if the environmental problems goes unattended. So this is wrong. Environmental problem is causing health problems. The fourth option, loss of traditional lifestyle and influence of Western values lead to some unhealthy ways of living. The passage nowhere mentions about the influence or the effect of loss of traditional lifestyle or influence of Western on the unhealthy ways of living. So this is clearly wrong and this is a completely off option. So we are left only with option number A, and that is the right option. We are likely to spend more money on cure rather than prevention. And it is coming very much from what the passage says, that there is inertia when it comes to taking action. So we should not stick to the first one, reading simply by the first option and coming to the answer. We should try to read all the options and try to eliminate them. Then only we should boil down to the only option left, and therefore A is the correct answer. Thank you.